Okay, we're just going to do a little before video to show well, how easy it was to push through and the condition of the pipe before we clean it. See some roots. This is 6-inch clay. A little bit of roots there. Transitions to 4-inch cast, which is no problem there to get by. This is probably the most roots in the whole pipe. In 4-inch pipe, it wasn't pretty easy to get through. The inspector who came the first time said he couldn't push through any of these roots and was trying to sell the homeowner a service, which probably didn't need. You can't see it, but this is back into 6-inch clay, and there aren't any roots through there. So it was not difficult to get to the city. Okay, we're going to push back down. I just finished the maintenance cleaning. So here it is in 6-inch clay. I hit this spot as good as I could. This is where it transitions into 4-inch cast. I haven't seen any damage yet. We'll keep our eye on it, but I haven't seen any damage to the pipe. Maybe that corner there, a little bit. Cast iron. Like roots. Cut out roots. So that's where it transitions back into 6-inch clay. And out to the city. Yep, so the pipe looks great.